long time no see. It is time to give away another machine. You know what that wheel is. Check it out, we have another white classic up on the chopping block today. Now the cool thing about this one is this is actually an older machine, so this is gonna be nice, good quality. You know, we can tell it's a little bit older because it says solid speed control right here. The new ones don't say that. So the solid state was just, they put this to kind of advertise after they moved from the pre-solid state to the solid state. This one isn't quite a Hobart, so it's after 1986, but it's gonna be a good one. Let's take a listen. Sounds pretty good. Now, we have not done the refurbishing process on this, so this thing's gonna be purring like a kitten when we get done with it, but it already sounds pretty dang good. Before we give this machine away, let's just kind of see what's going on in the shop. So we have Jacob over here working on this Professional 600 machine. Say hi, Jacob.
Hey guys.
This is a new Jacob. This is not the same Jake that used to work with me. Him and his family moved, but as fate would have it, another Jacob took his place. He's been in here helping me out. This is what he's working on here, Professional 600. This was a local drop-off, and he's just kind of getting it perked up a little bit. Dinner is served. My wife just came in and told us that dinner is ready. You'll never guess what we're having. We are simple folk around here. We're actually having potatoes and beans. I know it sounds extravagant, but it's exactly how it sounds. Baked potato, cut in half, beans, cheese, a little sour cream on top. Take a look at all of these machines. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then all this. We got some local machines over here. This sweet baby right there, limited edition, special edition. That's gonna be next month's giveaway, I think. So make sure to stay tuned for that. So we were supposed to do this giveaway on the 30th. We changed it to the 30th so everyone knows, but with Halloween and everything like that, got a little bit behind. But yeah, no, we're doing it right now. It should be uploaded the same night that I'm filming it. I think it's what, the 5th? The 4th? Something like that. You all have been keeping us crazy busy in here. I think we shipped out 100 packages this morning. That was from like a 2-day time period, I think. So we had 50 orders each day. That's insane. We've been super busy. So busy, in fact, that I've decided to hire a babysitter. You haven't seen this guy for a while. This is little Finn here, and he's not so little anymore. Do you guys remember how small he used to be? Look at him. He is a full-grown boy man now. He's down there munching on some goldfish, which I just found out the goldfish's name is Finn too. How cool is that? So he's just in here jamming on these goldfish, watching a little bit of Cocomelon. Got the wife here. This is what I'm talking about. This is those potatoes and beans. Babe, what is that?
It's the poor man's meal.
The poor man's meal?
But it's so good.
We're not poor. We have a lot of love.
It's true.
We have all we need.
All we need.
But let's be real. We are kind of poor. But thanks to all of you, all of your orders, all of your support, we are actually able to hire a babysitter now, which is going to allow me to be in the shop a little bit more, do a little bit more filming, expand on some of my things. We're getting pretty dang close on the powder coating operation, which I know like 6-8 months ago, I was like, oh, it'll be 12 weeks. Boy, was I wrong. That undertaking was a lot bigger than I gave it credit for, but we are actually getting pretty close. I'm hoping by the end of the year, we will be ready. Enough about me. Let's go ahead and get this machine given away. That way I can get to finishing up these machines, get these out of here. And then, like I said, starting Monday, I'm going to have a babysitter, so I'll have some more time in the shop. I'll have some more repair videos coming out very, very soon, as well as to have some more time to work on a few other projects. We have some really cool stuff that we're working on, and we're hoping to get it out really soon for you. All right, without further ado, let's get to it. All right, let's do it. I'm going to be filming for TikTok, too. Be like a phoneception. All right, who's it going to be? Who is going to be this month's lucky winner? Let's do it. There we go.
Big money, big money.
Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? Spin that wheel. Who is this month's winner? Sarah Bryan, congratulations. Huge congrats, Sarah. We will contact you very soon. We'll get this thing worked up. We still got to do the tune and clean and everything. We should be contacting you very soon. We'll get it shipped out. You're going to have a beautiful, like new mixer. This thing is going to purr like a kitten for you, and I really, really hope it's finding a good home. I hope you're going to put it to good use. Huge thank you to everyone that subs. I really appreciate every single one of you. Maybe next month's your month. I will catch you all in the next video that I upload, in which I will attempt to reassemble this machine that literally came to me in 1,000 pieces. What do you think? Think I can do it? We'll find out next time.